Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a new updated curly hair routine. So it's been like a year since my last video. I have new products, new shampoo and conditioner, new hair mask, a bunch of new stuff. So keep watching and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Comment down below what you guys want to see next for next video, and yes, enjoy. So as you can see, my hair looks super dry. It's time to wash it. So I first start with soaking my hair completely, and then I use my TGIN shampoo that I've been loving. And I put a lot. I start at the roots. Use your fingertips, not your nails. And then I bring the excess down to the ends. Now after I rinse everything out, I go in with my TGIN conditioner and I condition it, and then I detangle it right away. Do not detangle your hair out the shower. Detangle it in the shower. It's so much easier and your hair is so much softer when you get out. After detangling, I go in with my Camille Rose deep conditioning mask and I keep that in for about 10 minutes in the shower. And then once the 10 minutes is up, I wash it out with cold water. Let's get started for the styling part. So not a lot changed. The products did change. I do love the products that I used last year. It's been a year already from that video. I think so. But I do love those products still. I would use them, but I feel like your hair gets used to the products, so you have to switch it up, especially curly hair. So if you're girls and the product not working for you that you've been using for a while that worked for you before, switch it up a little bit. I'm gonna give you guys some of my favorite products recently, and hopefully this curly hair routine works for you too. Obviously we're starting off with the Microsoft towel, and it's a little bit dry. I look like a wet chicken. My hair is already detangled from the shower. As you guys saw, I do detangle my hair in the shower, so it is super soft. I recommend that a lot because when your hair is dry out the shower, it's so much harder to detangle it when you guys have conditioner in the hair, in your hair still. It's so much easier to detangle. See? Nice and soft. So let's get right into it. First, for some questions that people ask, especially on TikTok whenever I post my curly hair or me getting my hair done or anything, a lot of people ask what I ask for. So my mom does do my hair. When I first started getting highlights like 3 years ago, they were like super like yellowy highlights. And then I kept doing it so your hair will not get like this. Mind you, I do curly hair. I do hair. Your hair will not get like this the first session of doing highlights. It takes a little while and you gotta be patient. I've been doing my hair for like 3 years now. But I do ask for a full foil of honey blonde highlights, and then my mom does color on my roots because you can't see it now, but my hair is super dark, like as dark as my eyebrows. And when it grows out, I don't like how it looks. So she puts color on first and then puts the foils over it, the highlights. And this is how my hair looks now. Obviously it looks super goldy when it's dry, a little bit different. It does look a little bit more blonder and lighter from last year. So let's just get into it before I start rambling. You need one of these. If you don't have a spray bottle, what are you doing? Your hair needs to be like sopping wet for the product to stay in good. Spray down your whole entire hair, even if you just take it out of the shower, because my hair is not sopping wet anymore. Now I take my newly favorite product, which is, it smells so good, and it says to put it in the fridge for it can be cold, and it has avocado in it and coconut, I think. But it smells so good. Let me take off all my rings because your girl gets product everywhere. I take a whole lot. For now, and I just rake it through my entire hair. Everything has product in it. And then I go in with my brush again and I brush it all through. Okay, so after I do the underneath section where it gets a little bit more frizzy, I take out the back, and it's a little bit quicker now when I do my curly hair routine just because I take bigger sections. So instead of using my other denim brush, I take a regular brush, like a paddle brush, and I brush through the product. And then I take this brush and I spin it. And it looks like that. This brush tends to make the curls more clumped together, so then when my hair is dry, I can take it apart and it's not super frizzy. And then I do that throughout my whole entire hair. Okay, now that I did the back section, I go in with the front section. Add a little bit more product. And then I brush it through with my denim brush. And then I do finger coil the front pieces just because they're not as coily as the back ones. And I like them super coily. Just like that, away from your face, always. Okay, so now that whole section's done, I take my Oudad, I don't know how to pronounce it, the Climate Control Gel. And I just get a good amount. Make sure you get a good amount. And then you scrunch through. You have to hear that squishy noise. If you don't hear the squishy noise, then your hair is not wet enough. And now time to do the next section. So this is day 2 hair, and I air dried my hair because I had the time. Sometimes I go back and forth with diffusing my hair. If I don't have time, I'll diffuse it, and I feel like diffusing actually gives it more volume because I can completely dry and then run my fingers through it right away. When it air dries, I can't really put my fingers through until it's completely dry, which takes hours. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's been a long wait to get an updated curly hair routine. Comment down below what kind of videos you guys want next, if you want hair videos or just more lifestyle vlogs, and I'll get to you guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram or comment down below.